time to feed the birds.
Oh, look! Gang, look! There's bread! Oh, yeah. That was good. It's good stuff. Oh, Heim. That's a lot of food. So, you got any more?
No, Sonny, I don't seem to have any more left. You ate me out of all my bread. I'm going to come back tomorrow with some, though.
No? What do you mean, no? There's gotta be bread left. There's infinite bread on Earth. You just grow more. You not have a farm?
Well, no, I don't have a farm.
If you don't give us bread soon, then I swear to God I'm gonna have my buddy back here. You see him? Yeah, I'm gonna have him rough you up real good. Look at him.
I'm sorry, boys, but I don't have any bread left. There's no way I can give you any unless I go to the store or go farm. I don't own a farm. I'm just an old woman.
That's it. Alrighty, boys, let's rough 'em up. Yeah!
Good job, boys. You really beat me, senseless. I don't even know where my legs are, or my walker. Oh, I found it. There it is. It's in my back. I'm like a pile of gloop sludge, you know. You beat me to hell and back, boys.
Yeah, yes we did. Yeah! We're the rough ducks in town.
Boss, I'm a bird.
Shut up. No one cares. We're the roughest, most toughest flight animals. We're the flight animals, yeah.
Hello? Hello? Could anyone help me? I need help. I might need medical assistance, maybe. I don't know. The pain is starting to kick in. Oh, shoot. This isn't good.